Clifford Aloysius Leslie Magpie. And what's your name?
My name isn't important, Clifford.
And how will I know what to call you?
Clifford, we knew you were going to do it.
It wasn't me!
How do you even know what I'm talking about?
Alright, proceed.
You're the head of an evil operation, W-A-R-M. So, tell us, Winston Aloysius Reginald Magpie.
Winston. W-A-R-M. Sorry, abbreviations scare me. I'm Manitoba ribophobic. It's a fear of abbreviated names. I diagnosed myself.
Really? Well, here's your picture, Winston.
Winston. It can't be me. He's evil. Evil to the core.
Who's evil?
I shall not speak of him. That evil wing.
Say it. Say his name. Say it.
Winston! He's my evil twin brother.
Winston?
Winston.
Why do you do that?
Do what?
Every time I say Winston,
Winston.
you go Winston.
Winston. I do? I'm sorry. Maybe it's because he's so evil, I have to say it with disdain.
So, have you ever been diagnosed with schizophrenia or multiple personality syndrome?
No. However, my brother may have been diagnosed with some of those. Winston.
Look, we're just trying to maintain an atmosphere of peace, serenity, and calm.
Oh no! Oh no! It's happening!
Clifford Magpie.
It's not Clifford. It's Winston. Winston.
Winston?
Winston. That's what I said. Winston.
But I thought Winston was...
Winston.
Would you stop that?
Stop what? Winston.
That!
That wasn't me.
Then who was it?
Winston.
Stop! Mr. Magpie? Mr. Magpie.